Hello. Hi. Good morning. As part of the today's session, we are going to see how exactly we can capture a screenshot using an XCUI test and how exactly we can view that particular screenshot in our Xcode. Let us see a simple program for that. So for which I have created a basic program that will navigate to this particular text fields. And on top of this particular text fields, we need to use a certain commands. By default, whenever you are running your XCUI test, basically, it will capture the screenshots, and once the test got a fail, it will delete automatically all the screenshots. And every execution, the XUI will maintain the failed screenshots if something got a fail. And as a user, if you want something explicitly that needs to be captured, you need to use these lines of a code. First of all, you need to capture a screenshot, and later you need to wrap that instance to an XCT attachment, and later you need to give a name to the screenshot, you need to give a lifetime to that particular screenshot, and you need to add that particular screenshot to your test run. These are the 4 different steps that you need to follow. So here what I am doing right now means let shot is equal to app dot screenshot. Okay, whichever the screenshot is there, get that screenshot. So here the screenshot, I can get it for the entire app instance, or even I can get it for a single web element. In the current scenario, I'm showing you how exactly you can capture the screenshot for the entire app instance itself. And right now what I'm doing means let attachment. What I'm gonna do right now, XC attachment. So here this screenshot, whatever you have converted, we are wrapping it into an attachment right now. And for this attachment, I'm giving a name as demo Suren screenshot 1. Okay, demo Suren screenshot 1, I have given a name. And then for this attachment, you need to give a lifetime. So where I'm giving it as a keep always. This screenshot, I just need to keep it always. And then what we need to do, we need to do adding of this particular screenshot to our XCTest run results. And right now, print execution completed. Okay, print execution got a completed. That's it. I have defined this whole thing. Now let me try to run the script and see how this is gonna work. So it's getting executed, and it's getting executed, and the execution was successful. And if you see this particular message, execution got a completed for this screenshot. Where exactly I can find this particular screenshot? So basically, in order to know that, what are we doing right now means, let's go to this particular Xcode preferences, go to the derived data folder, go to the derived data folder, in which identify the folder for the project that you are working on. So this is the project that I have working on. And if you see the timestamp today, just right now, open it. And in which once you navigated here, there is a logs folder. Inside the logs folder, there is a test. We are running the UI test now, UI test. And if you scroll down, it has a timestamp. Right click on that, open with an Xcode. I opened it with an Xcode. So this is what the report a summary that it got captured. All got executed. One is passed and failed is nothing. And if I expand it here, whatever the steps are there, everything is showing up. And if you see right now for an attachment for this particular step, it's being highlighted. If you click on that particular chunk, okay, if you click on that particular chunk and quick look here, so it's showing you what exactly the screenshot that it got captured, it showing a reference for us. So this is the way how exactly you can capture a screenshot and you can identify that screenshot in a report. Usually this report, you can find it within the derived data folder under your project name, under the logs, inside the test. We are running a test, and at the end, the today's timestamp, which has XC result. Okay, you need to validate it with the timestamp. This is the way how exactly you can capture the screenshot and how exactly you can validate that particular screenshot also. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.